If you search how to buy shares of Viatris Inc., this short guide will walk you through the practical steps using a broker example. Viatris is a global pharmaceutical manufacturer listed on NASDAQ under the ticker VTRS. This content is educational only and not financial advice. To begin, you need an account with a broker, and we use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you will typically have to verify your identity with an ID document and add funds to your account before you can buy shares. On the platform, use the search box and type the ticker VTRS to find Viatris Inc. Select the matching result to make sure you have the correct company listing. On the Viatris stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent trading. Double-check the name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker to confirm this is the correct asset. To place an order, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy and carefully review the order details before confirming the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set for the next open session, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the trade can be confirmed. Once the order fills, your Viatris position will appear in your portfolio so you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the video description if you want to open an account or learn more.